Very good morning, students. I hope you all are well. Today we will study the introduction of operation research. This technique was developed during World War II when British military collected the group of different scientists to develop different tactics and strategies to win the war with the scarce resources. In India, this technique was used in 1949 and then in 1953 it was used in the national planning. It is basically a scientific method, technique and tool for the top management for doing the decision. Hence it is having a decision making approach. It is an experimental and logical method. Fine. Operation research is like winning the war without fighting it. Okay, but this approach requires some model building. There are 5 types of model in operation research. First, it was iconic model, which is also known as symbolic model. For example, toy aeroplane. Fine. And second one is symbolic model. It involves mathematical equations. Third is analog model. Example, charts, map. We draw for charts and map blueprint of our houses. It's like an analog model. Fourth is the combination of the analog model and the mathematical model. And the last is the heuristic model. Heuristic models are used for finding out the new strategies based on the past experiences. In this way, there are 5 different types of model. But while forming a model, you have to keep some points in your mind that it should not take much time and it should be capable of sensing the changes that are happening in the environment. Fine. In operation research, there are different phases. First of all, for finding any solution or implementing any solution, first of all, you have to define the problem. After defining the problem, then you have to develop the model. After developing the model, you have to collect the data according to it. Then you have to analyze the data, test the data, develop the solution, and then you have to implement it after testing it. So the different phases are defining the problem, developing the model, acquiring the data, developing a solution, testing the solution, analyzing, and then implementing the solution. In this way, operation research process goes through these phases. Operation research technique is consists of different techniques like linear programming, queuing theory, game theory, simplex problems. Then other theories other are like decision tree, okay, graphical methods. So I had developed many videos on different types of linear programs, on game theory and queuing theory, so you can go through these videos. So in the last, I would like to tell you that operation research is having a wide scope. It is used in business, it is used in transportation, it is used in banks, it is used in multiple areas. So it is also known as multidisciplinary approach. I hope you all are able to understand the basics of operation research. Thank you for today. Take care.